Hi, this is Bahare, and today we're going to learn Mary Had a Little Lamb. We're using 2 chords of those 3 chords that we learned. If you remember, C chord and G7 chord. C and G7. This is how the song goes. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Let's go very slowly and then go back to the very simple strumming, like single strumming with our index finger. Mary had a little lamb. The second little lamb, we're going to move to G7. Little lamb, little lamb. For the third little lamb, we should go back to C again. Let's do it one more time. Mary had a little lamb. Go G7. Little lamb, back to C. Little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. G7. Its fleece was white as, back to C, snow. On the word snow, we go back to C and end the song. Now let's go a little bit faster and smoother together. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. If you remember, we learned a very fine strumming on our right hand. It was down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's see how it sounds if we use this strumming and play the song. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. It sounds definitely a little bit more fine.